Yo gang, what's going on? It's your boy Hoodie Busy back because it's cold outside, you feel me, even though it's in the summer. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna be doing some nice little trading session. Markets are open. Euro USD is seeing a slightly bullish bias to start the day, and I've got some news on Euro JPY as well. So I'm trying to scalp, see if I can make it any money. If I can make $200, if I can make $300, I'm gonna call it a day in a couple of minutes. So thank you guys again for always supporting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. If you need info on how to trade or want to start trading yourself, links will be in the description. Join the Telegram channel, and you can see my trades live as well. If you want to follow them, it's absolutely easy. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's get right into the charts. And as you can see, I'm on Euro USD. I've been looking at the markets all day. And if you were a trader like me, means you've been keeping your ear to the ground, and you can see the market has been moving upwards since the market opened up today, passing the support levels of last week. So we can see market is, I wouldn't say completely bullish, but it's trending in that direction overtly. So now that we see that, we're expecting the market to move a lot during the day. And before the market closes, our opportunity is how can we take some bread out of that. So since a lot of things, I might try Euro and Japanese yen as well, because they've also pushed back a major support last week. So that's another currency that I want to see if I can make some. Yeah, let me add that right there. Let me add that. So both in this pairs, like what I'm going to be trading today, both are seeing a little bit of growth today, past their support. They're past their support. We're expecting markets to kind of like go up. As you can see, the market has been moving upwards. All right, so let's go back to Euro USD is where we started from, right? So let's move from 1 day to our 10 minutes, and let's see. Because of how difficult it is to hold this triangle tool by pocket option, it really annoys me sometimes. So right here, we're gonna say this is the support from the 10 minutes, but we can see generally the market's just pulling down here. We're at a trend line from right here. So right here, we are way in oversold conditions, right? Strong candles, a little bit being pushed up. But let's go to 5 minutes. Kind of see more of the same. We kind of see more of the same. We're looking. Pocket option wouldn't let me even load. What the hell is going on? I can't load what happened a couple of minutes ago. All right. It's okay. Starting off strong, market is pulling downwards. Right here, I can see the prices not being pushed up too much. I'm gonna go about 1% of my bank. Yeah, 1%. We're not gonna go 1 minute. We're gonna stay in the market for a little bit. Let's go 2 minutes. So let me see that a little bit closer. I kind of feel confident. I'm gonna enter into. Kind of feel confident markets might continue to go downwards from here. We're past this point. We might see a reversal anytime soon. But that's if we get below this point. We're gonna put this. We're way below that resistance. Yeah, I'm just gonna go put for 200. $288. We are in the money. We're gonna take a shot also at Euro JPY. Same situation. We see it past a major spot of support for last week. So today, what we're trying to do is see if we can quickly scalp a little bit of winnings out of that situation. So we're expecting the market to be a little bit more bullish than others that we've seen, and we can see. Right here, market is moving upwards. Kind of blow past 80, stochastic later over there. We haven't seen the market past this point though, we can see it reverse here, and even though it's the beginning of a downward trend, you see a little bit of a surge, and that's enough surge for you to take quick profit if you entered somewhere around here. So with a minute left on our Euro USD, I'm seeing this price being pushed down a little bit though, which could be, but I don't see it touch flush candles. I might go into a call as well, just see where that candle is gonna end. But just because of how full this first candle is and how this candle is being pushed down, it might also be advisable to enter into a put right there. We are out of money on our Euro USD trade. I mean, it's very close, so we'll come back to that. I think we'll still end up winning that. So right here, I think I'm going to enter into a call. I'm going to wait for this price to push maybe a little bit lower, somewhere around here. If the price goes to 16798, okay, so that's it. I'm gonna enter into a call. I might double up on that call. All right, so our first trade with 7 minutes, 7 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. A couple of points. I think we could have had a better trade if we went into 1 minute. We would have taken that. So maybe we might switch time frame a little bit, because we can see we're a little bit in and out. But I think that price is still being pushed down. What we can see here seems like there might be a little bit of a change in direction starting here. Not only because of how long that green candle is, but because of how that price kind of changed somewhere around here. All right, let's go to M1 candle so we can see if, pretty much, I'm gonna double it up also. So pretty much kind of what I've been seeing, what I saw on M2, and I think it's gonna be kind of the same situation on M3 as well. So it started not with the best. We had a $288 loss to start. And now we've got 500 running on Euro USD, 557. Get a little bit back of what we lost, but we also have about $500 running on Euros, Japanese yen. So it's looking pretty good on one side with 10 seconds left. It's not looking good for us on Euro JPY at all. Same thing, if I entered into a minute on this trade, I probably would have taken profits, but that's a loss. But that's a loss, but that's a loss, and that's a loss. Okay, we'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it. So we're down about way more than I want to be down, if I'm being honest. But it took some profit. We're not that out of the money too crazy, so I think we might continue to follow this trend upwards. Look for a nice little entry spot anywhere here. Might double up a little bit. I'm gonna do 3% and one trade into a call for 1 minute. And right here, we're seeing kind of, I'm expecting it to touch before we see that flip. So I might still enter into a call here, because I'm not expecting that to happen. I'm not expecting the market to start to pull all the way down here. I'm still expecting it to touch this zone right here before we see that happen. But I might be wrong, and I might be trading against the trend and get my ass whooped by the markets. I hate when this happens. I always try to, what the hell, pocket option. Now I can't see, okay. I can see what trades are in the money right here, why pocket option does this dance that he loves to do. We're 13 seconds and we're like, what? Our trade is at, okay, so we're in the money. All right, that was a little bit, it was a little bit. Come on, it's like a couple of points. Okay, we're not gonna get that. So market does, I do get punched in the mouth by the markets. So quick little session. Well, we're a little bit in the money, nothing crazy, but you got to take situations like this all the time. You can see overall we're able to do 1%. Our biggest trade was for $800, and we were able to make 700 back. Cancel some of our losses, and we had a little bit of 250 profit right here, which also kind of takes away most of the losses that we had. So a little bit of profit, we'll take it for a quick little scalping session like this. We'll take it. So thank you guys very much for joining me for another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when a new video drops. And I hope that you guys are staying in the markets and making your money. Speaker Boy Busy, and I'm out.